What's up guys, new week and another video about a new projector. I think I will always have a job, because there are so many different projectors on Amazon. This time we are going to take a look at projector called INFGO. This projector caught my attention with its design, especially 360 degrees stand, dust-proof sealed optical engine, high brightness of 800 ANSI lumens, native Full HD resolution and smart system with Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video and Google Play Store. At the same time, it is an affordable projector, only $160 with a coupon code on Amazon. Well, the projector looks really good on paper, but we are here to test it in practice. Let's start the review of the INFGO P1 by unboxing it. So on the box we can see the main features of the projector, namely Google Play, full sealed engine and a native 1080p Full HD resolution. It is a written projector with a mistake, but it doesn't matter. We can also see up to 200 inches huge screen, 360 degrees rotation and dual-band Wi-Fi 6 on the side of the box. By the way, the projector has a model name P1 on the box, but the Amazon product page just says P1. Inside the box is the projector itself. You know, it is quite compact. I thought it was bigger. The package includes a power cable, remote control, cloth, and user manual. So I was surprised by the size of this projector. Its dimensions are 240 by 185 by 170 millimeters. The weight is 15 grams. It would be even more compact without a gimbal stand, but it doesn't look like it is removable. Talking about the gimbal stand, it is really big and sturdy. It also has 4 rubberized feet to keep the projector from sliding around. There is a 1/4 inch mounting screw at the bottom, so you can mount the tripod here. The projector rotates 360 degrees on the gimbal stand. It moves very smoothly, although it does make some squeaky noises. But do not forget that this is a budget projector. As for the design of the projector, the body is made of plastic, but the front panel has a fabric finish. I think it gives a premium look. There is a lens with a protective film on the front panel. Let's take it off. In the center is a camera for autofocus and auto Keystone and infrared receiver for the remote. By the way, I saw in the manual that the speaker is in the front. We can even see it under the logo. The back panel has only power connector and the second IR receiver. All ports are located on the left side, such as LAN port, HDMI, USB, SPDIF and headphone jack. You know, I am surprised to see LAN and SPDIF ports on this projector. You don't often see them on the compact budget projectors. The air intake vent is on the right side and the cooling vent is on the left side. There's only power button on top. The remote control for this projector is pretty simple, but it does have a cursor button and focus adjustment buttons. That's good. So I liked the compact size of this projector. For example, we tested another projector last week with a similar gimbal stand, but it was much larger. But it is still not the smallest projector on the gimbal stand, because we also tested an even smaller one. Now I want to show you the smart system of the INFGO projector. When we turn on the projector, there is the INFGO logo as well as Android TV. But it is not really Android TV system. If we go into the settings, we can see that the projector runs Android 12, but the system is called ZUI Smart Projection version 1.0. In fact, this smart system is used on many budget projectors. It already has Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, YouTube and Spotify pre-installed, and there are many apps available in search. The projector also has File Manager, Bluetooth speaker, iOS Cast, Miracast, Google Play Store, App Store, Office Suite, and VLC player. We will test Bluetooth speaker and screen mirroring a little later. Talking about the settings of this smart system, first we have Network settings. Since the projector is equipped with LAN port, there is a wide settings available, as well as Wi-Fi and even hotspot. In the Bluetooth menu, we can connect some external device to the projector, for example, wireless earbuds. I think you are most interested in projection settings. They include power on autofocus, displacement autofocus, autofocus, manual focus, digital zoom, power on keystone correction, displacement auto keystone, automatic obstacle avoidance, auto screen fit, auto keystone correction, automatic vertical correction, and projection mode. You can also change language, date, upgrade system, and some other settings on this projector. Okay, now let's try screen mirroring. The INFGO projector supports dual-band Wi-Fi. You can use the Mirrorcast app to mirror Android devices, and iOS devices can use the iOS Cast. I have an iPhone, so I will use iOS Cast. Make sure that the projector and smartphone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Finally, just take your phone, go to screen mirroring, and select the projector. I would like to mention that the latency is really low. It is almost non-existent. I already told you that you can connect wireless earbuds or other devices to the projector via Bluetooth. But you can also use the projector as a Bluetooth speaker for your smartphone.
Enter speaker mode.
This makes sense, because the projector speaker is much louder than any phone. Listen to this. To be honest, I would say the speaker quality is below average, but it is very loud. As for the fan noise, unfortunately, the projector is quite noisy. It is about 53 decibels near the projector and 47 decibels at 1 meter. Of course, the built-in speaker is able to drown out the fan noise when watching videos, but some hum will still be heard. Finally, we move on to image quality. That's the most important part of any projector. First, you should know that I will be testing a projector with a screen size of about 84 inches, but you can make the screen much bigger by moving it further away from the wall. For example, this is about 120 inches. The INFGO projector has native 1080p Full HD resolution. What does that mean? The resolution is number of pixels that a projector can display on a screen or projection surface. In our case, that is 1920 by 1080 pixels. This is very good for a budget projector. The manufacturer also claims that the projector has a contrast ratio of 20,000 to 1. I don't know how they calculate the contrast ratio, but it seems like too much to me. In any case, the image has vibrant colors. That's the most important thing. By the way, I don't remember the projector having picture settings. It looks like you cannot select the picture mode on this projector. Finally, the brightness. This is probably the most important parameter for the projector, because it uses an LED light source. The brightness is claimed to be 800 ANSI. I think this may be true, because the picture is very bright. Even in a room with light, the projector is clearly visible, although the colors are not as vibrant as in a dark room.
Hey! There's a transient person at the house asking for you. She's carrying hot garbage. She says she's your sister. No. I told you Dad got diagnosed with early onset dementia and you said I'm so fast.
The joy that he plays with. He was really good in the 2 months after the trade, but he's 5 out of 34 in the postseason. The chance to atone for that here. Bounces one right side. Routine ground ball for Gavin Watts.
Now you can watch a few more videos, and then we will get to the conclusions.
And whiskers on kittens, bright copper kettles, and warm woolen mitt.
Anything else on your person?
Brown paper packages tied up.
I mean, it is a little creepy, but the curls are super soft. It's made from real human hair.
I get it, you don't like my movies. I've never seen your movies. But the universe keeps telling me I look cool with a gun in my hand. What's my gun?
Did I mention it was in Capri?
Capri? Yes, she is in. We're all in.
Hey, Fraud. That was girlfriend stuff.
I have a surprise. Your own true family.
Milikina. Yabusele for 3.
It's back to Kareem and drives ahead for a first down.
Wow. And it takes a huge hop. The in-between hop for a shortstop gives them the most. And it takes a huge hop. The in-between hop.
So the INFGO P1 is a budget projector for around $150 with a compact design and a convenient 360 degrees gimbal stand. It has a smart system with various built-in apps including Netflix, YouTube, and even 2 apps store such as Google Play Store and App Stores. The built-in speaker is very loud, but its quality is about average. My complaint about this projector is rather noisy fan. On the other hand, the image quality is really decent. Overall, for its affordable price, I think it is a good projector. Thank you for watching. See you soon!